All right, so let's pretend that I've taken my photos for the photo shoot. For every assignment, after you take your photos, you are then going to organize them into folders and albums, then rate your photos, choose the ones that you think are good enough for an edit. After the edit, you're going to rate them again and figure out which ones you're going to submit for credit to Flickr. So let's get started. We're going to click on all photos, and I'm going to pretend these photos that I took in Utah are photos for this assignment. And as I'm recording this video, I'm going to pretend that this is for the Zoom Away assignment, but this process will be for any photography assignment that we do. So you have all photos shown here in your library. You need to select the ones that are for this particular assignment. So in the upper right, there's these three dots. I'm going to click on that and choose select. And then I can come through and click on my screen, and I'm going to select the photos that are for this assignment. I'm going to pretend that these photos, 17 of them, are for the Zoom Away assignment. Then at the bottom left, I'm going to click on Add To. Right now, you'll notice that I have no albums. So I'm going to click plus, and the first level needs to be a folder. And the folder is the name of the assignment. In this particular case, I'm going to pretend that this is the Zoom Away assignment, and I'm going to click OK. Then I want to click on Zoom Away, and I want to create an album inside of that folder, and I'm going to call it Shoot. Or maybe the Shoot, however you want to do it, and I could click OK. And then right here in the blue, I'm going to click on Add. And here we can see 17 photos copied to the Shoot. So if I clicked on that little thing at the bottom right, it took me right to my Shoot folder. If I come back out to the library and scroll down, you can see I have a Zoom folder, and then inside of here I have the Shoot. I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to add another album called The Edit, or Edit, however you want to do it. And I'm going to click OK. All right, now I'm back in the Shoot. So I'm looking through my photos from the Shoot, and I want to go through and rate my photos, okay? I want to give them a star rating. So in the upper right, triple dots, view options. I want to make sure show overlays is on and flag and ratings is highlighted, in this case blue. Then I'm going to come back out, click out into my photos again, and I'm going to come up to, not filter, let's see. Oops. There we go. I'm going to click on one photo, and you will most likely be in the edit mode with that photo. So right here in the upper top, I'm going to switch from edit to rate and review. And then I'm going to look through my photos, and I want to give the photos that I think I might want to edit a 2-star. All right. Then I swipe to the right, and I can go through and I can choose 1 star for ones that maybe I won't edit, and 2 stars for ones that I will, knowing that I need at least 5. So I'm going to go through this process, and I'm just kind of randomly picking some like this. At least 5, but preferably more, because you need to turn in 5. So it might be a good idea to have multiple ones to edit. And then after you do that, we can come back out here. All right, I'm back into the library. You can see my photos have different stars. What I'm going to then do is click on the upper right, 3 dots, segmentation, star ratings. Click back out. So now I have it segmented into photos with 2 stars and photos with 1 star. And I have 8, which meets my requirement of having at least 5. All right. So I'm going to come back up here and select. And I'm going to click the little check mark next to rating for 2 stars. That'll select all of these. And then I'm going to move those to the edit folder, or edit album, sorry, and I'm going to click move. And then right down here, 8 photos move to edit. If I click on that, it'll take me directly to these photos to edit. At this point, what you would do is click on your photos, switch from review to edit, and then go through the editing process based on the tutorials. So that's how you organize your files and give them a star rating and get yourself to the editing process. After you edit your photos, I want to pretend that I have edited these. You don't need to watch me do it. I would switch back into my rate and review, and I would look through the edited photos, and I would pick a 3 for the ones that are my favorites, my favorite edits, and maybe a 4 for my best edit, and those are the ones that I'm going to turn in for the assignment. If I click back on this back arrow, I can come back in. I can come back up to the triple dots, segmentation, star ratings, and then now you can see I have my 3-star photos, and these would be ones that I would then turn in to Flickr.